When something isn't quite right inside, your body gives you a heads up. Bloating is one way that your body tells you things aren't running smoothly as they should be. When toxins build up inside your gut, excess air can become trapped in the digestive tract. This can cause bloating, stomach pains, and acid reflux. Bloating is an extremely common stomach issue, but digestive problems shouldn't be a part of your daily life. The health benefits of red cabbage. Red cabbage is one of the best ingredients you can juice to help normalize your digestive system and beat bloating. Not only does red cabbage juice help heal your gut, it has plenty of other health benefits as well. It boosts the immune system. Red cabbage contains vitamin C and vitamin K, along with several other essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C in red cabbage acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation in the body while protecting the cells from damage. Vitamin C provides your body with the strength and supports it needs to fight invading bacteria and infections and keep your body healthy. It promotes a healthy gut. The insoluble fiber in red cabbage helps keep the digestive system running smoothly to prevent constipation. It also helps relieve the symptoms of gastrointestinal conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome. Juicing red cabbage helps keep the digestive system happy and healthy. It fights inflammation. Red cabbage contains phytonutrients, which are natural anti-inflammatory compounds. A study published in Research in Pharmaceutical Science found that the consumption of cabbage led to a reduction in swelling. The phytonutrients in red cabbage make it a natural remedy for bloating and inflammation. It combats chronic disease. The antioxidants in red cabbage may help prevent or reverse DNA damage that can lead to chronic disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, Huntington's disease, and Parkinson's disease. One study found that when compared to other edible plants, red cabbage was found to reduce endogenous DNA damage in colon cancer cells. Researchers concluded that red cabbage had disease-fighting abilities and may be one of the top cancer-fighting foods. Ingredients: 1 red cabbage, 1/3 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 handful of cilantro, 1 thumb of ginger root, 1/4 of a lime, 1/4 of a lemon, ½ cup of coconut water. Directions: juice all of the ingredients together to create a natural remedy for bloating and digestive issues.